Every trader in the world wants to know the best time to buy and sell, and that's what Investing.com is all about. InvestingPro's Fair Value can help you understand whether each stock is currently trading above, below, or right at its real economic value. Anyone can do it. Click the button in the top right corner to access the Investing Pro dashboard. Here, we'll explore 3 ways to find promising stocks. First, let's create a watch list. Now, simply add a few stocks you're interested in. Next to each stock on your watch list, you can find its fair value, ranging from overvalued, indicating it's not a good time to buy, undervalued, a good time to buy, and even a bargain. Another way to go is with the stock screener. Click on the screener tab. Then choose one of the existing screeners. Let's go with strong upside. You can further customize the screener here. Now, let's scroll down to the stocks list. Next, click on the Fair Value Upside and discover stocks with incredible potential. These are the stocks with the highest upside. If you're an experienced investor, you can even click on a stock and take a deep dive into the fair value factors and customize it to your research and investing style. Let's invest better together. Start now and facilitate your trading decisions with fair value. Available only at Investing.com.